Hey, I'm Alex from Marks Mobility, and here I'm going to show you a new lift chair by Pride Mobility. It's a new line called the Sitting Pretty line. This is the Evolution, the LC435. They do have about 5 different sizes as well, from a 400 up to a 600-pound weight capacity. This is the large size in the upgraded Stay Clean material. It's kind of like a polyurethane, like an imitation leather, but they do also have this in fabric. It's a 3-position lift chair that does have a magnetic port right here on the side, and it's very easy to put the remote or the left hand side. On either side there is the magnetic strip. It is going to come with a built-in cup holder that does oscillate, so it will stay level, and it's also going to have a USB and the new C-type charging port over on the right hand side as well. Now, for a large size, this is one of the larger sizes that I've seen, with 25 inches in between the arms. What I think is really cool about this lift chair, it's a 3-position lift chair on all their sizes, but what it does is it's going to elevate your legs first, and then it's going to recline you back. So what's really neat about that is, a lot of people had that problem with 3 positions. It starts to recline and lift the legs at the same time. They want to sit upright, need their legs elevated. You're able to do that with this lift chair. So if you're looking for a lift chair that's going to be a very cost-effective lift chair that is going to have 3 functions with all the different features I mentioned, go ahead down below, look at the description. We'll have a link and you can come right to the website, and we'd love to speak to you to figure out what's going to be the best configuration for you.